Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. Answer. B. Mitochondria. Mitochondria generate ATP through cellular respiration, providing energy for the cell. Which of the following is a membrane-bound organelle? A. Ribosome. B. Centriole. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoskeleton. Answer. C. Nucleus. The nucleus is enclosed by a nuclear membrane and contains genetic material. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Lysosome. B. Ribosome. C. Peroxisome. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. B. Ribosome. Ribosomes synthesize proteins using mRNA templates. The fluid inside the cell that contains organelles is called A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleoplasm. C. Stroma. D. Matrix. Answer. A. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that surrounds organelles within the cell membrane. The Golgi apparatus mainly functions in A. ATP production. B. Protein modification and packaging. C. Lipid synthesis. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. B. Protein modification and packaging. The Golgi apparatus processes, modifies, and packages proteins for transport. Which structure controls the entry and exit of substances in a cell? A. Cytoplasm. B. Plasma membrane. C. Golgi body. D. Mitochondria. Answer. B. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable and regulates the movement of substances. Which of the following is a single membrane-bound organelle? A. Mitochondria. B. Chloroplast. C. Lysosome. D. Nucleus. Answer. C. Lysosome. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes and are surrounded by a single membrane. What is the main function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum? A. Lipid synthesis. B. Protein synthesis. C. DNA replication. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. B. Protein synthesis. The rough earth, studded with ribosomes, assists in synthesizing and transporting proteins. Which of the following is not found in a prokaryotic cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Plasma membrane. D. DNA. Answer. A. Nucleus. Prokaryotic cells lack a nucleus. Their DNA is located in the nucleoid region. The function of peroxisomes is to A. Store genetic material. B. Break down fatty acids. C. Synthesize proteins. D. Conduct photosynthesis. Answer. B. Break down fatty acids. Peroxisomes help in detoxification and lipid metabolism. Mitosis results in A. 4 genetically different cells. B. 2 identical daughter cells. C. 1 haploid cell. D. 3 diploid cells. Answer. B. 2 identical daughter cells. Mitosis produces 2 genetically identical diploid cells. In which phase of mitosis do chromosomes align at the cell's equator? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer. B. Metaphase. Chromosomes align at the metaphase plate before being separated. Cytokinesis occurs after A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Telophase. D. Anaphase. Answer. C. Telophase. Cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, completing cell division. Meiosis is important for A. Growth and repair. B. Genetic variation. C. Asexual reproduction. D. ATP production. Answer. B. Genetic variation. Meiosis produces genetically unique haploid gametes. Crossing over occurs during A. Prophase I. B. Metaphase I. C. Anaphase II. D. Telophase I. Answer. A. Prophase I. Crossing over leads to genetic recombination in meiosis. Which phase of meiosis reduces the chromosome number to half? A. Prophase I. B. Metaphase II. C. Anaphase I. D. Telophase II. Answer. C. Anaphase I. Homologous chromosomes separate, reducing chromosome number. How many daughter cells are produced at the end of meiosis? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Answer. B. 4. Meiosis results in 4 non-identical haploid cells. Mitosis occurs in A. Gametes. B. Somatic cells. C. Bacteria. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Somatic cells. Mitosis is responsible for growth and tissue repair in multicellular organisms. Which phase of mitosis involves the separation of sister chromatids? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer. C. Anaphase. During anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart. Which of the following occurs in meiosis but not in mitosis? A. DNA replication. B. Chromosome condensation. C. Crossing over. D. Cytokinesis. Answer. C. Crossing over. Crossing over allows genetic variation, occurring only in meiosis. Who coined the term cell? A. Robert Hooke. B. Anton van Leeuwenhoek. C. Matthias Schleiden. D. Theodor Schwann. Answer. A. Robert Hooke. Hooke observed dead cork cells under a microscope. What is the fundamental unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Tissue. D. Organ. Answer. B. Cell. The cell is the smallest unit capable of performing life functions. Which of the following is found only in plant cells? A. Centrioles. B. Mitochondria. C. Chloroplasts. D. Ribosomes. Answer. C. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts conduct photosynthesis and are absent in animal cells. Which organelle is responsible for cellular digestion and waste removal? A. Lysosome. B. Ribosome. C. Peroxisome. D. Mitochondria. Answer. A. Lysosome. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down cellular waste and foreign substances. What is the main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, sir? A. Protein synthesis. B. Lipid synthesis and detoxification. C. DNA replication. D. Energy production. Answer. B. Lipid synthesis and detoxification. The smoother is involved in lipid metabolism and detoxification of harmful substances. What is the semi-permeable barrier that surrounds the nucleus? A. Plasma membrane. B. Cell wall. C. Nuclear membrane. D. Cytoskeleton. Answer. C. Nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane controls the movement of substances between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Which of the following statements about apoptosis, programmed cell death, is true? A. It occurs only in diseased cells. B. It is an uncontrolled process. C. It is necessary for normal development. D. It causes inflammation. Answer. C. It is necessary for normal development. Apoptosis helps in removing damaged cells and shaping organs during development. Which of the following transport mechanisms requires energy, ATP? A. Simple diffusion. B. Facilitated diffusion. C. Osmosis. D. Active transport. Answer. D. Active transport. Active transport moves substances against their concentration gradient using ATP. What is the primary role of centrioles in animal cells? A. Protein synthesis. B. DNA replication. C. Chromosome organization during cell division. D. Lipid metabolism. Answer. C. Chromosome organization during cell division. Centrioles help in forming the spindle fibers that separate chromosomes during mitosis. Which organelle is known as the suicide bag of the cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Lysosome. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer. C. Lysosome. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that can break down the cell in case of damage or infection.